Hello brainy folks, this is your cherished tutor Daniel Aryee. Yes, today I am here with the visual tutorials on the other ITO methodologies, including strategic decisions and initiatives I have proposed for OPEC to adopt. Yes, this is subsequent to the earlier direct MBS or marginal benefit approach, constituting an integral complement of segment 1, as I have already pointed out in the preceding tutorials. Please hop into the knowledge spree, learn and have fun with this exciting visual tutorials for now. Meanwhile, for my general audience and learners, be rest assured, as I am almost done with work on the full audio visuals of segment 1. Yes, I will be uploading it in some few days' time. Ooh, wait a minute, but you know what? I would advise you to briefly pause as and when needed, intermittently between the tutorials on the various approaches, in order to fully and properly absorb the content before proceeding to the next slide. Alright, great! Let's get going. Yes, enjoy today's tutorials. Wow, so up until this point, I know that I have given you an appreciable amount of knowledge on the subject matter regarding intertemporal optimization. Meanwhile, though it is quite enough, yet to augment your understanding, I would still encourage you to watch my supplementary tutorials, which explains into details very relevant nuances pertaining to the subject matter. Surely, I have well provisioned it meticulously and intentionally for reinforcement purposes. Yes, I have done that, just for you, my cherished learner or viewer. At this point, I would first of all say, glory be to my God the Most High, regarding everything, thus making all of this possible. Besides, I would want to make a shout out and acknowledge certain key personalities that have motivated me in so many ways in producing this wonderful tutorials. Yes, I have drawn a lot of inspiration from 1. His Royal Highness, Mohammed bin Salman Al Saud or MBS, ruler of the Great Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. 2. His Highness, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President, Prime Minister, and ruler of Dubai. 3. The Great King of Spain, His Majesty, King Felipe VI of Spain. 4. Crown Prince of Dubai, His Highness, Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Fazza, Crown Prince of Dubai. 5. Crown Princess Mara, Sheikha Mara bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum of Dubai. 6. Princess Leonor, Her Royal Highness, Princess Leonor of Spain. 7. King of Denmark, His Majesty, King Frederick X of Denmark. 8. Prince William of Britain, His Royal Highness, William, Prince of Wales. 9. His Royal Highness, Prince Daniel, Duke of Västergötland. 10. King of Morocco, His Majesty, King Mohammed VI of Morocco. 11. President of the UAE, His Highness, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the United Arab Emirates. 12. President of Egypt, His Excellency, President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi of Egypt. 13. His Majesty, King Abdullah II of Jordan. 14. Sultan of Oman, His Majesty, Sultan Haytham bin Tariq of Oman. Yet, I cannot end this list without mentioning and acknowledging all my wives globally, especially those in the Saudi and Dubai kingdoms, yes, those I have been interacting frequently with, including all thrones, kingdoms and nations I am connected to. Once again, I am Daniel Aryee. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel at DTechnology4 for more exciting videos coming up. Oh, but wait a minute, I have a special message to my fathers, yes. With deep affection, respect, and admiration, I acknowledge King Abdulaziz bin Abdul Rahman Al Saud and King Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum as my great fathers. To such an extent, I even see them as my parents-in-law. Their visionary leadership and relentless efforts laid the foundation for the prosperity of the exemplary kingdoms of Saudi Arabia and the UAE, including Dubai. Their legacy of wisdom, foresight, and resilience continues to inspire generations, including myself. Once again, may God bless you all, especially in this sacred season of Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Shukran, Amin.